Practice. Listen and repeat. U.S. Customs. How to answer.
To avoid problems.
Listen and repeat.
I am here for vacation and tourism. I will be staying for exactly 2 weeks. Here is my return flight ticket. I am staying at my friend's house. Here is her full address and phone number.
Hotel check-in. How to answer.
No extra charges.
Listen and repeat.
Can I have your ID and a credit card, please? There is a temporary $100 hold for incidentals. Is breakfast included in my stay? You need to clarify the checkout times. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
At the restaurant. How to order.
Be polite.
Listen and repeat.
Can I get the chicken and waffles, please? I would like a cola, please. Scrambled, please. Sunny side up, please. Could we get the check, please?
Ride sharing and taxis.
Be safe.
Listen and repeat.
Hi, who are you picking up? Could you please open the trunk? Can you drop me off right in front of the main entrance, please? No problem, we will be there soon. You can add a 20% tip to the total bill, please.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it with your friends.